Hello, yes. So last session we saw how to move the player by based on the user control. So don't so something like that. Yes. So we gave the user to control to move to left right. So we applied the force there. So that's fine. So now so anyways my camera is something is sitting here. I want to follow my player. That's what the next code. So let's go and do that. Fine. So already we written the script for player movements. Let's go and create one more called camera follow. Okay. So follow player. We call it as follow player. Okay, that's fine. It looks simple, right? So let's go to my camera. This is my camera. If you go to the scene, there is a symbol. Oops. Okay. Scene. See, this is the camera. Okay, I adjust before manually, so that's fine. So here is my main camera. Okay, fine, cool. That's fine. So now let's go and attach our script here. So okay, so let's open script by double click. So yes, so initially we don't want to do anything. Okay, on every update just make sure that you are following the player. Okay, so how to do that? First you need to take the reference of the player. Okay, so let's go and write the variable to take the reference. Public transform. So what's the transform here? So yeah, so transform is this. Okay, it contains the position, rotation, scale of complete details of the object. Okay, that's fine. So you can go and learn it deep. Okay, so fine. So we call it, this is a player. Okay, so once we variable declare, so it will be available here. Okay, fine. So now you go just drag the player and put it here. Okay, cool. Then write the script now. Okay, so transform. Okay, what is this transform means? So transform is the current object, so where the script is attached, so that object's transform I going to modify equal to player dot okay, so my transform I'm assigning my player position. Okay, cool. Cannot be assigned. Okay, okay, so what I'm telling here is, so every update my camera position should be the position of the player. Okay, so let's go and run this and see how things are working. Okay, so what happening here? Okay, see, so my camera is got okay, it is attached inside my player because we told like the position is the same as the player. Okay, but we don't want something like that, so we need camera bit don't go inside, just back and follow like something like this. Okay, so just go back and just view as we have before, something like this, right? That is what our goal is. So how to achieve that? So that's very simple. So we need to assign again we need to add the offset for the position. So what's meant by offset? So offset helps you to add a additional position. So offset, it will helps you to adjust your position accordingly. Okay, let's create a variable called variable vector 3. Okay, we call it as name offset. Okay, so this offset we are just adding to my position. Okay, fine. So what's the vector 3? As I said in a ARL session, so it has the, it will accept you the 3 coordination, which is here, see, x, y, z. So we can represent x, y, z of my camera. So whenever we found the position as position of the player. Okay, but it should be offset bit back. Okay, what the offset on every position move, just so we can maybe apply the same. So current position, same thing, we can just add it to our offset. Okay, so x, let it be a 0, so y we just use the same, and the z the same. Okay, fine. So now, so whenever my camera's new position change, it will add additionally with the offset, which is will be fit like this. Okay, fine. So now run it. Super cool. Cool. See, my camera is just following wherever it is, just whatever the offset we defined, so accordingly it's just okay, it's going to fall down now. Yeah, still it's follow the same positions. You can go and see. So just check, see, skip on, moving on. Okay, that's fine. Cool. So this is the way to achieve the follow. It's very simple logic. Just to whom you want to follow their position with along with your offset. Okay, so if you want to be a first player, then you can remove the offset. See, if I remove the offset, calculation, control X, then obviously yes, this is what we look, right? So now it will be like a first player. See, so it's like inside the ball. See, our eye view inside the ball. Okay, cool. So but our requirement is to follow back. Okay, that's why we are adding the additional offset. Okay, hopes you understand. Thanks for watching the video. So next session we'll see how to set up the goal trigger, like what we can do. The future session is like when we reached our goal green cube, trigger some UI pop up to show that yes, you are achieved, you reached the level kind of. And still we can try to add in the future session when we touched to the enemy red block, red cube, then just make the level end, and just go and try from starting. Like that we can show some kind of logics there. So and still I have a plan to add audio for my player to make very interesting, and some kind of animations like fog, and how to show up the fog backend, and how to set up some tree animations. So this all I am planning. Let's see. So this is a very interesting, right? So let's go and try this. Okay, even you can try this time. After completing this, you can try with the different concepts which your work out. So this will be applied same for any kind of game logics. So let's go and try it. So I will come back with new concepts. As I said, like next option is to make it trigger when we touch with enemy and touch with goal to some kind of information, some kind of pop-up say that game is completed and level is completed, kind of. So subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that when I upload the next video you will get the notification.